Gems family, welcome to another day of Vlogtober, and as you can see, it's an kind of overcast day, and I took my lunch break to head over to Plato's Closet and to see what they have in here. So come along with me to see what I find. Make sure you hit that like and you subscribe, and I love your comments, so leave me a comment in the comment section below. Stay tuned. Dollar Holla. So let me come up closer so you can see the print. It's this cut out, and you can see it has a little detailing here on the side. I just thought it was super cute. I said this is so spring. I did not zip up the back because I'm going to be changing so much, so excuse that. But you know, it's a little tee, kind of little frilly summer looking, summer/spring, you know. Yeah, I feel super cute in this, and it was only $1. On to the next, and it was $1 as well. It's a pinstripe dress, and as you can see, it has a tie here. You can tie in the front or on the side or in the back, but I prefer the side tie. Okay, and I really like that this at the front. If who's old enough to know about spray starch, if I spray starched it, it would stay. But I really like this dress. Let me turn around. You can see this is this one. I like the length. I think it's very appropriate. It's very Florida appropriate with the colors. I see myself on a beach somewhere in this one, or just going shopping, something like that, or lounging by the pool. All of those things you guys see. This is why I thrift. So this is the next one that we have here. It's like this, you know, cobalt blue beauty, really super cute. Yeah, so this one